come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Navika ji, emergency was very much constitutional.
Very constitutional. Suspending all constitutional rights, suspending fundamental rights is your definition of constitutional, and you call yourself the saviors of constitution. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, I don't know how many people in this country are hearing and watching you and understanding the diabolical DNA of the Congress party. Pradeep Bhandari, I'm at a loss of words. Emergency is constitutional. I rest my case.
Well, I'm not surprised, Navika ji, because the mindset of the Gandhi Vadra family is dictatorial. So a dictator will justify emergency as democratic. So that is what the Congress party has done, and this is precisely why they have not apologized for the last 50 years for jailing more than 1 lakh innocent people, for jailing more than 250 journalists, for forced sterilization of more than 60 lakh Indians, for suspending the right to life, for bringing in our 38th Amendment, where the Prime Minister will be beyond the judiciary. And let me tell you, I have this book where B.K. Nehru, who was the advisor at that time to Indira Gandhi, he wanted to get the parliamentary system changed to presidential form, where Indira Gandhi would have been a prime minister for life till eternity, and they wanted to make Indira Gandhi the president, and they wanted to get one party rule.
Don't spread lies.
I'm not spreading lies. This is exactly the verbatim quote. I come very well read, Mr. I'm not like your party. Okay? I'm not like your party. And Navika ji, the bottom line is,
don't spread the lies. Don't spread the lies.
The Congress party,
everything in the application of emergency was constitutional.
Nothing was constitutional. That is the basic.
Superseding Supreme Court judges, setting aside the order of courts was obviously very, very constitutional. What can I say? It was constitutional, na? And let me ask Priyanka Bharti ji. Very constitutional. The putting of Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav in jail at that time, the birth of MISA, when MISA was applied to Lalu Yadav ji, was absolutely constitutional. So those 15 months were constitutional detention of Lalu Prasad Yadav ji. Do you agree with Ashwini ji?
Neither. First of all, BJP does not have even the moral right to talk about emergency.
I'm asking about Lalu Prasad Yadav ji. Pehle wo bata dijiye.
I'll talk about both. Firstly, BJP does not have a moral right to talk about emergency. Where was Mr. Modi or Amit Shah when leaders like Lalu Prasad Yadav,
I will tell you where they were.
Singh Yadav, Ramvilas Paswan ji, all were beaten up brutally on the streets and they were put behind bars.
I'll answer her.
They hiding, changing their attire, and the only thing that Mr. Modi knows is changing attire from the time of emergency. And now, because he cannot change his communal casteist mindset. You know, when you talk about emergency, I'll only say one thing. Those who know the taste of struggle know. They can only name their daughter or son after.
And this is why you align with the Congress party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then as a 25-year-old RSS worker, was traveling across the country distributing anti-emergency literature and building the movement. And this is what your socialist leaders have also acknowledged. Come well read.
And also, when you talk about emergency, don't you remember Manipur? Our PM, our coward PM, could not even gather courage to utter the word Manipur from his mouth, and Manipur is in this country, integral part of India.
Madam Bharti, do not speak about cowardice. Real cowardice is Lalu Prasad Yadav as an 80-year-old man for the 11th time.
Priyanka Bharti ji, Lalu Prasad Yadav was in jail. Mulayam Singh Yadav was in jail. Karunanidhi's government was dismissed. 23-year-old M.K. Stalin was beaten up and put in jail. These are his admissions before the Commission of Inquiry. And may I tell you what the BJP leaders were doing? Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was in jail. L.K. Advani was in jail. Sushma Swaraj was in jail. George Fernandez was in jail. Arun Jaitley was in jail. And may I tell you what Atal बिहारी वाजपेयी wrote at that time, टूट सकते हैं मगर हम झुक नहीं सकते, सत्य का संघर्ष सत्ता से, न्याय लड़ता निरंकुशता से, अंधेरे ने दी चुनौती है, किरण अंतिम अस्त होती है. This is what Vajpayee ji was doing while you were making plans to sit with the Congress party. I want to bring in Tariq Khan. Tariq Khan, आप इनको तो पहचानते होंगे. मैं आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाना चाहती हूं, शायद यादें ताजा हो जाए. You must know this leader. If you don't, this is Mulayam Singh Yadav under arrest in 1975. This is M. Karunanidhi, whose government was removed at that time. This is Jay Prakash Narayan. From which movement you were born? Even Priyanka Bharati's party was born. Lalu Prasad Yadav. And this is Raj Narayan ji, who defeated Indira Gandhi, and that is why this country could not even see the defeat of Indira Gandhi. Emergency was applied. I want to ask you, आज आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हाथ में लेकर घूमते हैं, constitutional, the same constitution which allowed emergency, then why are you saying there is an undeclared emergency today? If emergency is constitutional, you should have no problem.
Samajwadi Party and Samajwadi leaders never defended emergency. Okay, that was a wrong.
Akhilesh Yadav today said अघोषित आपातकाल आज भी है.
You cannot justify 75 with today. Means BJP is wrong. Two wrongs cannot make one right. Okay, BJP is trying to all the time said that thing that कि जो है वो 75 में जो हुआ था, then they have this leverage to do all those things today.
Are you saying emergency was wrong? Are you saying emergency?
2nd March 2021. Okay.
No.
Rahul Gandhi said.
First tell me 26th of June 1975, was it wrong to declare emergency?
Yes.
And if it was wrong, then why is Ashwini Mishra calling it a constitutional act? Why is Ashwini Mishra calling it a constitutional act? Please respond to him. Please respond to him.
Our leader was in jail along with.
But Ashwini Mishra is saying that it was constitutional.
What he's saying, it's in constitution.
It is unconstitutional. Ashwini Mishra, Samajwadi Party is saying it was unconstitutional. You are saying it is constitutional. You are both alliance partners. Can you please take a break, talk to each other and come back and tell this country whether it was constitutional or unconstitutional? Can you please decide between yourselves?
Both of us. You're misquoting both of us.
Oh.
You're misquoting both of us. Navika
Okay,
ji.
how? Please explain.
I am telling the applicability of emergency was under the Constitution Article 352. However, I said that the outcomes of the emergency was not as per the expectations.
So apologize.
We have accepted.
Apologize. For 50 years, your party has not apologized for emergency. Rajiv Gandhi also believed emergency was right. Why can't you apologize? Why can't you apologize? Why can't you apologize? कहानी मत बताओ. Tell me, apologize. Apologize not to me but to the nation today. To this nation, this great democracy called India, please apologize.
Navika ji, in past also multiple Congress leader has accepted that all the enactment, all the outcomes are of
There has
emergency
been
was
not a
as per
single
the
apology
expectation.
from
One apology,
Congress
Ashwini
party, not
Kumar.
one. She's lying, Navika ji.
Ashwini Kumar Mishra, not one apology in 50 years. If it was unconstitutional, why is there no apology?